So we also have, what do we have first? We have a quote and a
I'm going to
recipe.
do a recipe first and then a quote.
All right.
So Drew, you just hang tight. I'll take over here.
Just sit back and relax. I'm with you guys.
So I wanted to talk about a recipe today that has a complex carb in it, because we were talking about the health benefits of complex carbs. So a really traditional, I guess, recipe that would include a simple carb is shepherd's pie, right? The white potatoes, the ground beef, and all of that. So I want to talk about that today and how it's easy to convert a traditional recipe like that into something a bit more healthier, but still have that home-cooked kind of feel. So instead of the white potatoes, try using a sweet potato. And you boil your sweet potatoes till they're super mushy. Or I prefer steaming them actually, as opposed to boiling them, so until they're super mushy. And then you can mash them with some fresh garlic, some fresh dill, some coconut oil, and make them super creamy. Sometimes we eat them just like that. They're delicious, aren't they?
You can put a little milk in there.
I'll put a little almond milk in there and make them super duper creamy.
Yeah.
So that's how you could make your mashed potatoes for your shepherd's pie. Drew and I choose to use baked beans over ground beef in our shepherd's pie. You could also use ground turkey or ground chicken if you're looking to
Make it a bit cleaner.
Leaner. And so then you just have your layers. You can put your beans or your ground meat on the bottom. And then in the middle, put all kinds of sauteed veggies. We like to do mushrooms and peppers and onions. And we put all kinds of that good stuff in the middle. Then put your mashed sweet potatoes on the top. And that right there is a great meal. It contains it has your healthy carbs and your protein and your veggies for your fiber, so it's a good nutritious meal in a way that you can transform a traditional meal into something a bit healthier.
Yeah, the traditional format isn't the healthiest, so Dorothy made this combination for everyone that may be wanting to avoid meat, for example, or may want a bit cleaner type of shepherd's pie. And it's also great for the entire family because you can make this big pot of it and then everyone gets as much as they want, and usually there's enough left over for lunch the next day.
Yeah, I prefer to bake mine in a pan over that pot.
I think you know what I meant.
I do. But we made it for our friends or maybe our family not too long ago, and they were surprised. Like, at first when something's different, people are usually a little bit like, not sure about this, but they were surprised at how great it tastes.
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
It's a delicious one.